Try again later problem on Instagram solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video we are going to show you how you can fix try again later problem on Instagram. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos for you. So guys, if you're facing try again later problem on Instagram, then the first thing which you have to do is that you have to check your internet connection, whether it is okay or not. If you don't have the good internet connection, make sure that you connect it to a good Wi-Fi or a good network connection. After this, you can check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is not solved, then no need to worry. I'm going to show you some tips here that you can apply and fix this problem. So the second thing you can do is that you have to go to Play Store, and then here you have to check one thing, that is you have to search for Instagram here, and then you have to check whether your Instagram is up to date or not. So here you can see you will find this type of interface, update option. Make sure that you have already update your Instagram. So after updating your Instagram, what you need to do is that you have to switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then you can check it out. The problem will absolutely solve. Guys, if it is not solved again, then I have again another solution for this. You have to go to your phone settings. Okay, after going to phone settings, just scroll down. After scrolling down, you have to go to app management or install apps. Just go here and then go to manage app or app list. So now guys, here you will find all the application which has been installed to your phone. So now here you can just scroll down and search for Instagram, but let me just search Instagram, or you can search from the search bar also. Here it is, simply tap on Instagram, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here you have to click on force stop button. So you have to click on force stop, and then you have to stop the force. Okay, after clicking to stop force, you have to click on storage usage, and then here you have to clear all the data. So after clearing all the data, scroll down, and here you will find one option, permission. Simply tap on permission, and then here you have to allow each and every permission out here. So now after doing this, you have to switch off your phone and then switch on it, connect to a good Wi-Fi connection or network internet connection, and then you can check it out. The problem will absolutely solve. So after doing all this, I hope your problem will be absolutely solved. If it is not solved, then please comment down below. I will definitely gonna help you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.